Hello.
Yeah.
Jesus. That's gone. All right. Right. Way. Way. I have a lot of vices. I have a lot of vices. I have a lot of vices. Proper whack on that one, you know. And so, in this bucket, I have. What do we have? So I've got some baking soda powder thingy. Okay, so I've got this 220 grit. New thing. So 600. I've got a feeling this could fly all over the place, but let's have a go. There we go. As you can see, it's quite... As you can see, it's quite hard to get hold of. I've got the tabs on this. I've got this piece with the tabs on. I've got this piece, the tabs on this. So, there's a bit of thinking, I think. Bit of thinking, I think. These would have been used at some point during history, but I don't know when. Anyway, there. Bolt down piece, don't know what that's called, but the piece which you bolt it down with to something. Yep, that's words. Nerding out a bit on it, but like this. Here, you can see, not that one. Two-sided isolations, but on two. But so. In terms of the tenant, that's it. But I just like to use that, and yeah. Today I'm going to try and make a little sort of cutlery fork thing for meat. No. Do a video on that soon, so if you want to watch that, just, yeah. Right. Even quenching in water, it doesn't change the metallicness inside. So that's it, the finish. Here we are. Here we are. That spoon shape was a cutlery eating implement video thing. It's my code OSC10 or the link in the description to get 10% off your very own pair of these shoes. Use my code OSC10 or the description in the link to
Is that two codes? Ask 10.
Right. Let's try again.
You're all red now.
Use my code OSC10 or the Use my code OSC10 or the link in the description. Then I can give you indestructible shoes for them. Do that again. Reaching out to me. Yeah. I wasn't really sure what this was, but they had a hell of a lot of fun trying to do this. As you can see, we successfully destroyed them. They are in 3 parts. So I had a lot of... I'm just saying the same thing.
How much fun did you have?
Lots of fun. Right. I will show you some close-ups of the bike so you can admire its beauty and glory and those things. I'll show you some close-ups of the bike so you can admire it I'll show you some close-ups of the vise so you can admire it in all of its beauty. Anyway, I'll show you some close-ups of the vise so you can admire its beauty, and I will see you on the next video. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.